Hey guys, Robert Taylor from American Trail Products to introduce another great product for your Jeep JL or Jeep truck. We've got this fender liner here, manufactured from 16 gauge aluminum, laser cut, designed for clearance here so you don't have a bunch of rattles and shakes going down the trail. It's a very sturdy install, includes all the necessary hardware. You've got a vented panel right here that can be removed or painted to match your Jeep. Depends on what you want to do there. Check that out at www.americantrailproducts.com.
Say that.
Let's bolt this on your whip and let's go off-roading. That's what. I don't care if you're gonna crawl or maul. This shit right here is gonna look badass.